Here is how to add your zoom in and zoom out effects in your videos. Would you like to create something like this? Then watch this video tutorial. Follow me, don't skip so you won't miss the steps. Let's go. So open your video editor. Here I'm using Capcut. You can download that from Google Play Store, then create new project. So scroll down and select the video you would like to use for this. The video you want to use. So import it. Once you are done with that, this is the next step. Follow me carefully and subscribe to this channel. So this is the video you like to use, the video you want to edit. So click on the video and click this diagonal line, this. So once you've clicked this, as you can see, this red box is here. Then zoom it in how you want it to be, then move forward, click on it again. You can zoom it out or sideways, then move forward again, click on it again, then you can as well zoom it in. So it depends on how you want it. Move further and tap it again, so you can zoom it out again. So this is very easy. Follow me for more tutorial. So you click again, then you have other effects as well. So this is exactly how I want it to be. You can do this for any of your videos. Then you zoom out again. Let's take it to the normal size. So this is it. It's very easy. Move forward and click it again. Then let's focus on this. Let's focus it this way. Then finally you move and click on the original. Then this is it. So let us play it now. So this is what we just did. It's very easy to do, guys. As you can see, it's very easy to do. It's very easy to do. So as you can see, this is what we just did. This is zoom in and zoom out effects. You can watch this video again in case you didn't get it the first time I'm doing it. So watch this video, like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more watching tips.